what I am seeing, no? And this is my personal take, na ma-expel siya sa NPC because connected siya sa Pogo and yung kanyang birth certificate is irregular, no? And also invalid because of the source of information. But para sa akin, yung pag-a-apply niya, no, in behalf of Hong Sheng puts her in direct connection with Hong Sheng Pogo Company, which is yung unang na-raid. No? So, hindi natin pwedeng tanggalin na wala siyang connection doon. Kasi siya yung nag-apply. In fact, meron ring letter kami nakita. Inamin nung dating mayor, siya yung kausap in behalf of Hong Sheng. I will air my views as a member of the Advisory Council. And importante na ma-maintain namin yung integrity ng members ng mga NPC, no? Or this will set a bad precedent. And in fact, nung kumandidato siya in 2022, hindi naman NPC yung kanyang certificate of candidacy, no? Yung kanyang independent siya. Nung nanalo siya, normal naman pag nanalo ka, umaalyado ka sa ruling party, umalyado siya sa NPC dahil ang buong Tarlac NPC. Nakikita ko dyan, it will set a bad precedent. And it's not the type of members that we want for our party. Importante yung mga members namin ay mataas ang kanilang integridad, good moral conduct, and importante rin na hindi nasasangkot sa mga ganitong kriminalidad.